I mounted the Ecoflow Delta Pro on the inside of my RV. Okay, I made a nice little compartment, sat it on there, secured it down with some straps. It's hardwired. Now I have this plug going right here. It goes through the back, a little through wall. Comes out right here, goes to the other side of the RV. This is where my plug is located. So it comes right into the RV, plugs in. That's for my cable. And I no longer have to keep anything on the outside. So now I can actually use this while I'm driving down the road. You see it's inside, shut this, and go down the road like this. One more thing I did, I hardwired it to my solar system. So this charges my battery, and this one isolates the Ecoflow. This one isolates my battery. So I can put the solar wherever I want. Both of them together, just turn both of them on. This turns on there you go. Starts charging the RV battery. The Ecoflow also charges the RV battery. Not a lot of sun right now. When the sun comes back on, I usually get about, see this one's pulling about 7.4 amps. So let's isolate that and just keep the Ecoflow on. There you go. And it should come on a little bit. There you go. It's getting 143 watts. I have 660 watts on my RV. Let me show you real quick. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my solar system right here. On the very front, I have 175 watt, 330 watt, and another 330 watt right here. So these two goes to the house. The one up front goes to the start battery. And it goes down to the charge controller. Okay, so that's how I got this wired. So now, no more, I could just stop on the side of the road, parking lot, anywhere, and have my AC running while I'm driving, charging off the solar. The next thing I'm gonna do, that's the next project, so I can start my onboard generator and charge the Ecoflow. So this is my onboard generator. On Cummins 5500. So if I'm driving on the road, I can start this. It will start charging the Ecoflow. Okay? So I'm gonna have that connected. So I'm gonna install a plug right here that will charge off the generator and get this thing charged while I'm driving down the road. I could charge it, so when I'm parked, turn my generator off, start running off the Ecoflow. I don't have the smart battery right here because this compartment's real small. It's tight. If it was just a little deeper, I could put that and the smart battery. That would be ideal, but I can't fit it. This gives me right around 2 to 3 hours. That's all I need. If I pull over just to get a break, that's enough time. At nighttime, it's cooler. It usually lasts a little longer on the AC. I'm going to turn the AC on and kind of show you guys what's going on. Okay guys, got one AC coming on. Okay guys, there you go. See, I'm pulling right about 460 watts. Oh, sun just went on. There you go, come back up. We got almost 491 watts coming in, 1,344 going out. And it said I could do this for 4 hours. Keep my AC running. So you see, if I had the extra battery, that's 8 hours I could have done this. With solar coming in. Now I have the remote right here, so I could just sit down and I can monitor everything from the inside. I'm at 99%, 4 hours, almost 500 watts coming in. Pretty cool. So you can see everything going on with the remote control. I can turn the AC on and off, the DC on and off. I can do everything from right here wirelessly. This is just a charge cable. It's not hardwired. It's just the USB cable to keep the screen on longer. All right, guys, it's perfect. Already recharging back to 99%. We'll be back to 100% in 12 minutes. Getting 500 watts in. I think this is so much better to have this than having something hardwired in your RV. You could move this around. Something happened in the house, I could take it inside. I can use it at the cabin. I can use it in the RV. Anywhere I choose to. It's not permanent. Okay, guys, so solar mounted on the inside. I don't know if I've seen anyone else done this. I think it's pretty cool. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And don't forget to push that subscribe button for me. Thanks.